Let's get into my foolproof date night everything shower routine that will have that man or that girl all over you. An everything shower should be a spa experience, so I like to sprinkle eucalyptus Epsom salt on the shower floor. The aroma fills the air and instantly relaxes me. First, we have to get the germs off. That is most important. I love using Dove antibacterial bar soap to get rid of odor and get my whole body squeaky clean. Wash them legs and the toes. Make sure you wash the washcloth with your bar soap afterwards. You know, if you know, you know. Using the Summer's Eve wash, I hit my intimate areas. It's a gentle formula that gets the job done. Period. Please don't use bar soap. Girl, the body wash is my favorite part, especially using the EOS Soft and Cozy Body Wash. My skin feels so moisturized and soft. The lather is exceptional and a little goes a long way. The scent is light and fresh. It's a perfect base for fragrance layering. Exfoliation is key for me. Like, what is an everything shower without the exfoliation? I love the body scrubs from Bath & Body Works. The scrubs are infused with vitamin E, so they give you great exfoliation but moisturize the skin at the same time. I exfoliate after the body wash because I don't want to wash off all of the oil. I want to get it absorbed into my skin. My skin feels so smooth and squeaky clean at the same time. CeraVe Foaming Cleanser. So this is great for normal to oily skin, but it's really good for my oily skin girls. It helps get your skin super clean, but it's not stripping. It's full of niacinamide, hyaluronic acid to pump moisture back into your skin. And it also helps you control the oil in your skin because your skin is moisturized. It doesn't feel like you have to produce a whole bunch of oil. Let's get out of the shower and let's get into the rest of the routine. So before I put anything on my body, I apply the Belief True Cream Aqua Bomb to my face. I always do all of my facial skincare before I put anything else on my body. The formula for this gel base is hydrating and it controls oil and it improves the texture in your skin. It has become a skincare staple for me. It truly does what it says that it does. I use an under eye cream. This is so crucial to avoid under eye creasing when you do your makeup. You need your under eye to be fully moisturized. I always use the CeraVe eye cream. This reduces puffiness, dark circles, and it gives me the perfect canvas for my makeup application because it stops my makeup from settling into any lines that I have because plump skin works best with makeup application. I am a body butter girl. This water body butter from Bath & Body Works is so good. The scent is light, it's clean, it's fresh. The formula is very fluffy, but it's super hydrating, super moisturizing. This stuff will keep you hydrated for days. I am so serious. Oh, and girl, please don't forget your deodorant. You did all that washing, all that scrubbing, all that rub-a-dub-dubbing just to still stink because you forgot your deodorant. This step makes me feel so luxurious. I absolutely love it. I love to apply the Diptyque hair and body oil. This just makes my routine so foolproof. The oil just gives a gleam and a shine to the skin without being greasy. The scent is so luxurious and it's light, but it's effective. Like every time I use this, my husband asks me like, what are you wearing? It makes my fragrances last so much longer. Last, but definitely needed, is the Cracked Heel Treatment Cream. Now, I got this from Bath & Body Works. I now use this like every other day. It makes your feet so soft, so smooth. It really heals any cracking that you have. And girl, we do not want dry, crusty feet inside of our cute shoes on date night. And we don't want anybody to see our dry, crusty feet when our shoes are off because you know, things be happening. You know what I'm saying? So now that we are so fresh and so clean for date night, let's get into this casual but chic but elevated date night look for tonight. Hello, girl. Hello. I know I want to wear these pants. I have this sheer thrifted top. I have these. They have a little bit of a kitten heel. I'd be able to walk around in them. I'm just not sure what they're gonna look like. I'm gonna be honest with you. I wish I had jorts. I think jorts with these boots would be bomb. We're gonna curl my hair and then do the outfit. Hey girl, here's the makeup. Are my earrings. I'm wearing these hoops. These are from Garnish in Gold. Use my code GLAMLARRY to get some money off. And then these are from, I think, TJ Maxx Marshalls. But here's what I'm wearing. Is the top that I'm wearing. This is my thrift store top. It is slightly sheer, but you can't tell. Here are the pants I'm wearing. And then the pants have like these drawstrings on the side. Lift them over the boot. Just tie them up like that. And so I'm gonna wear them like that instead of wearing them like this. It's giving auntie, but cute. I'm gonna wear it just like this. I'm gonna wear it just like these. Okay, I think this is cute. So it has a little razzle dazzle. It's dainty. It's dainty. It's dainty. I'm gonna do this bag. Cause why not? Why not? There's like black in the boot, so I think it works. Yeah. This everything shower routine is luxurious, easy, and so effective in any woman's routine, whether it's for date night or a cozy girls night. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe, and check out the rest of my content. And welcome to Hot Mom Production Studios.